How to use Teemill review properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Teemill is a sustainable e-commerce platform that lets you design and sell custom apparel, but beginners often make mistakes that limit success. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is skipping product research. Most people get this wrong by launching designs without knowing what sells. Spend time exploring Teemill's marketplace trends, popular colors, and seasonal demand before creating your products. Second mistake, ignoring eco-friendly messaging. You won't believe how many users fail to highlight sustainability, which is Teemill's strongest selling point. Emphasize recycled materials, ethical production, and your carbon-neutral initiatives to attract conscious shoppers. Third mistake, underestimating marketing. The surprising truth is that a great product alone isn't enough. Use social media, email campaigns, and influencer partnerships to drive traffic to your Teemill store. Fourth mistake, overlooking sizing and product descriptions. Beginners often provide minimal details, leading to returns and unhappy customers. Include accurate size guides, material info, and care instructions for each product. Finally, not monitoring analytics is common. Teemill provides tools to track sales, traffic, and conversion rates. Use this data to optimize your designs, pricing, and promotions. Using Teemill properly means researching trends, highlighting sustainability marketing effectively, providing detailed product info, and monitoring analytics. Avoid these beginner mistakes to build a successful, eco-friendly apparel business.